Welcome to my maths class, IIT Foundation for 6th class students, Chapter 3, Fractions and Multiples, Exercise. So, in the previous video, we have completed up to 34th problem, now 35. Compare 27 by 40 and 31 by 50. Two fractions we have to compare. So, to compare two fractions, we have to convert them into like fractions having same denominator. So we will find the LCM of 40 and 50. LCM of the denominators of the two fractions. We will start from the smallest prime number 2. So 2 20s and 2 25s. Next, both are divisible by 5. Next prime number 5 4s 20, 5 5s 25. Next, these two are not divisible by any number. Therefore, LCM of 40 and 50 is equal to 2 into 5 into 4 into 5. That is equal to 2 5s 10, 10 4s 40, 45s 200. So LCM of 40 and 50 is 200. So 27 by 40 is equal to 27 by 40 into 5 is 200. Or when 200 is divided by 40, we get 5. So multiply both the numerator and denominator by 5. So 5 sevens 35, 5 to 10 plus 3, 13 by 200. So first fraction is equal to 135 by 200. Next, we will convert the second fraction also as an equivalent fraction having the denominator 200. So next fraction 31 by 50. 31 by 50, that is equal to 50 when multiplied by 4 we get 200, or when 200 is divided by 50 we get 4. So multiply by 4, 31 into 4 by 200, 50 into 4, or this is 200 and this is 124. So the second fraction is equal to 124 by 200. So these two are like fractions having the same denominators. Therefore, the fraction whose numerator is greater is greater. Therefore, 135 by 200 is greater than 124 by 200. 135 by 200 is equivalent to 27 by 40. Therefore, 27 by 40 is greater than 31 by 50. Next one, 4 by 5 and 7 by 8. So we have to find out the LCM of 5 and 8. As 5 is a prime number, the LCM of 5 and 8 is 5 into 8. 5 8s 40. If one of the two numbers is a prime number, then the LCM of those two numbers is product of the two numbers. So 40. So 40 is divided by 5, we get 5 8s are 40. Therefore 8 4s, 4 by 5 is equal to 4 into 8 by 5 into 8. 4 is 32. 5 8s 40. And 7 by 8 is equal to 7 into 5 by 8 into 5. 8 5s 40. 7 5s 35. These two are like fractions, and among these two fractions, the numerator 35 is greater than this 32. Therefore, 35 by 40 is greater than 32 by 40. Thus, to compare any two fractions, two or more fractions, we have to convert them into like fractions having the same denominator. So, next problem 36. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order and descending order. So first we have to find the LCM of the denominators. 9, 15, 27 and 21. Denominators of the fractions in the first part problem. So all these numbers are divisible by 3. Therefore 3 3 is 9, 3 5 is 15, 3 9 is 27, 3 7 is 21. Next 3 and 9 are divisible by 3. Therefore, 3 ones, 3 threes, 9. Other numbers are written as it is. As they are not divisible by 3, we will write them as it is. No two numbers are divisible by any number. Therefore, the LCM of all the four numbers is 3 into 3 into 5 into 3 into 7. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. 27 into 5 into 7. So 7 sevens 49. 7 twos 14 plus 4 189. 14 plus 4 18. So into 5, that is equal to 5 nines 45. 5 eights 40 plus 4 44. 5 ones 5 plus 4. 5 ones 5 plus 4 9. So the LCM of all the denominators is equal to 945. So we will convert all these fractions into like fractions whose denominator is equal to 945. So if 945 is divisible by 9, 945 by 9 is equal to 9 ones 9, 0, 9 fives 45, 105. So when 945 is divided by 9, we got 105. Therefore, we have to multiply by 7 into 105 by 945. 7 by 9 is equal to. So this is equal to 945. 7 into 100. 7 fives 35. 7 zeros 0 plus 3. 7 ones 7. 735. Next one 13 by 15. 13 by 15. When 945 is divided by 15, we get 15 6 ones 15 6 90. Next 45. 15 3 is 45. Therefore 63. 13 into 63 by 945. 945. That is equal to 13 3 is 60, 39. 13 6 78 plus 3 81 8 by 945. 13 by 15 is equal to 819 by 945. Next one 23 by 27 is equal to, when 945 is divided by 27, 945 by 27. 27 3's 5 to 35. So this is equal to 23 into 35 by 945. That is equal to 23 into 35. 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10, 11, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6. Therefore 5, 10, 6, 7, 8, 8 not 5. 8 not 5 by 945. Next 20 by 21. 20 by 21 is equal to 945 is divided by 21. 21 fours, 21 ones, 21 fours, 45 into 20, 45 into 290, 0 by 945. So the equivalent fractions for these fractions are 735 by 945, 819 by 945, 805 by 945, 900 by 945. So the denominators are same, the numerators are different. The smallest numerator is 735. 735, that is equivalent to 705. This fraction is 700. So 709 is less than. Next smaller one is 805 by 940. Therefore 23 by 27. Next 819. It is equivalent to 13 by 15. is less than last one 900 by, that is equivalent to 20 by 21. So this is the ascending order, increasing order. 7 by 9 is less than 23 by 27 is less than 13 by 15 is less than 20 by 21. Similarly, the descending order means largest to smallest. So 20 by 21 is the largest. So largest is less than 13 by 15 is less than 23 by 27 is less than 7 by 9. Next, coming to the second problem, 4 by 5, 11 by 20, 11 by 15, 22 by 25. These 5, 20, 15, 25 are the denominators. We will find the LCM of the denominators 5, 20, 15 and 25. These 4 are not divisible by 2 or not divisible by 3. All 4 are not. All 4 are divisible by 5. So we will divide them by 5 first. 5 ones, 5 fours 20, 5 threes 15, 5 fives. Therefore, LCM is equal to 5 into 1 into 4 into 3 into 5. So 5 fives 25, 25 fours 100 into 3, 300. Therefore, the LCM of the 4 denominators of these fractions is 300. Therefore, 300 divided by 5, 300 divided by 5, 5, 6, that is 0, 60. Therefore, 4 into 60 by 300. Next, 300 divided by 20, 300 divided by 20 is 15. So, 15, 11 into 15 by 20. And next, 300 divided by 15, 300 divided by 15 is equal to 15 2s 30, 0, 20. So, 11 into 20 by 15. Next, this fraction 300 divided by 25 is 12. 300 divided by 25 is 12. 25 ones, 25 ones, 5 0, 25 2s. So this is 12. So numerator is 300. These two are also 300. 300. 25 12s 300, 22 12s, 22 into 12. So these are 6 4s 24, 0 by 300, comma 11 into 15 165 by 300. Next, 11 into 20 is equal to 220 by 300. 22 into 12, 12 2s 24, 12 2s 24 plus 2 26 by 300. Now, which is smaller among the numerators? 165 is smaller. Therefore, 160 by 300 is smallest among the fractions. This is equivalent to 11 by 20. Therefore, 1 by 20 is the smallest. 11 by 20 is less than. Next, 165, after 165, 220. So 220 by 300 is equivalent to 11 by 15. So 11 by 20 is less than 11 by 15. Next 220, next 240, which is equivalent to 4 by 5 is less than 4 by 5. Next one 264, which is equivalent to 22 by 25. So 22 by 25. So this is the ascending order, smallest to greatest, ascending order. So in descending order means in a reverse way. Descending order of the fractions is 22 by 25 is greater than 4 by 5 is greater than 11 by 15 is greater than 11 by 20. So this is the greatest and this is the smallest.